Hello guys, in the previous video we covered while loop in Python. Now in the today's video we are going to cover function in Python. Function nothing but definition. So open Anaconda Navigator, launch Jupyter Notebook, then inside the desktop create new file Python 3, give it as a name, that is Python functions. Now inside this function, if you want to declare a Python function, you have to use def keyword, that is def, then your function name. So my function name is my function, and after the bracket you have to write down colon, and make sure we see the indentation rule in if else condition and in for loop condition. Same indentation rule you have to follow in the functions in Python. So after colon, just you have to write down enter, then print, for example, hello from function. So if you run this program, nothing will get happen because we just create a function. But if you want to run this function, you have to call this function. So how you can call this? You just have to write down something like this, my underscore function. So if you run this, you will get hello from function. So this is the syntax of functions in Python. You have to use def keyword, that is definition, function name, then colon. After colon you have to follow indentation rule, that is make sure you have to write function things inside this def. Then when you want to call that function, you just have to use that function name and bracket. So this is how you can create a simple function. Now there's one more concept, that is argument function. So what is argument function? Suppose I'm writing definition, that is function, and like something is coming from user, for example name. So if I want to print that name, then what I have to do, I have to use print f names, or sorry name, और यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे कुछ बोलूँगा welcome. So I'm running this program and I have to call my function, and I have to provide them a name. Suppose I'm providing wisdom sprouts, and if I run this program, then you will get wisdom sprouts welcome. So this is how you can pass an argument to your function. Now suppose you want to pass multiple arguments to the single function, then how you can pass it? You have to write down something like this. So def, then my function, yes, suppose name is coming as well as, for example, age is coming, and I'm writing print, that is name plus giving blank space and then age. So I declare this function and I'm calling this function again, that is my underscore function. Then what is name? For example xyz, and age is 5. If you run this program, oh, there is one error, that is okay, sorry, we have to pass string. Then you will get that xyz and 5. So this is how you can pass multiple parameters or multiple arguments using this def method. Now suppose you don't know that how many arguments are coming, then you have to use args. So what is args? Let's try to run. So def my function, then you have to write down star and any array name or any temporary variable name. So I'm writing my values, for example, and I'm writing print my name is, I'm writing my name is, and after that I have to use, that is my values of, suppose I'm writing first. So what is the meaning of first variable? Let's declare this and call this function, that is my function. So if I call xyz, if I call abc, and if I run this program, then you will get my name is, just make sure add one space there. Okay, my name is ABC. So how this will happen, because star use for number of like number of arguments that we didn't know, that we didn't know that how many arguments a user will pass. So at that time you have to use this star. Then my values of month, that is nothing but ABC, is stored on first index of this function. Suppose you write down 0 and run this program, and again run this program, you will get my name is x5. That is, in that my values, zeros index will be provided by xyz. So guys, this is how you can declare functions inside this Python. Stay tuned, click bell icon to get more updates.